Welcome back to another episode of The Last Card Unfolded. So, this is the episode 2 entitled The Last Hope Carrying Expectations. So, for today's episode, we're diving into something deeply personal and often misunderstood. Being the youngest child is seen as the family's last hope. When people hear youngest child, they usually think of someone who's spoiled, carefree, or less pressured. But for many, that's far from reality. Behind the label of being the baby of the family, there's actually a different story, one filled with expectations, responsibilities, and silent pressure. Imagine growing up hearing things like, ikaw na lang ang pag-asa namin, ikaw na lang ang mag-aahon sa atin. At first, it might sound motivating. It feels like trust, like love, but over time, it feels heavy. For many youngest children, they are seen as holding a last or the last card, the one expected to succeed where others may have struggled, the one who carries not only their own dreams but also the unfinished dreams of their family. And that kind of expectation, it doesn't just inspire, it pressures as well. Some youngest children begin to feel like their worth is tied to their achievements. They feel like they have to prove something, not just for themselves, but for everyone around them. There's this constant thought of, kailangan kong magtagumpay kasi ako na lang ang inaasahan. But here's the reality. Being the last hope can be exhausting. You start to question yourself, what if I fail? What if I don't meet their expectation? What if I choose a different path? And sometimes that pressure leads to frustration. Because, yes, it's comforting to know your family believes in you, but it also feels overwhelming when that belief turns into expectation. In our study, some respondents shared that they feel obligated to give back to their parents, especially when they know how much sacrifice was made for their education. There's this sense of utang na loob or a deep gratitude that slowly turns into pressure. Instead of freely choosing their own path, they feel like they have to succeed in a certain way. And that's where the conflict begins, between love and pressure, between gratitude and obligation, between their dreams and their family's expectation. But let's not forget, youngest children are still individuals. They have their own goals, their own struggles, and their own definition of success. Being the last hope shouldn't mean carrying everything alone. Maybe it's time we change the narrative. Instead of seeing the youngest child as the final chance, why not see them as someone who deserves support, freedom, and understanding? Because at the end of the day, success is not about fulfilling expectations. It's about finding your own path and growing into who you truly want to be. To all the youngest children listening, your worth is not measured by how much you can carry. You are not just the last hope, you are your own person. And it's okay to choose yourself too. And that is it for today's episode of The Last Card Unfolded. Join us the next time as we explore the next episode, who will further clarify and dig deep on these emotions that have been hiding by our youngest children.